presenting a pre-owned 2025 Land Rover. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a 9-speed shiftable O transmission. This Land Rover is a steal with less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include cold climate package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking, sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.